Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will unboxing Lenovo Legion Y90 latest model, 12 GB RAM memory, 256 GB storage and 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage is coming the new stocks and have mixed color, four colors, titanium gray, black and white and also green color is coming to this one. This one first time I will unboxing for you. Let's go for unboxing. Exactly the special for gaming and very amazing phone. This one is the seal for the company. The box is so heavy. Sorry guys. Wow. This one is inside is have SIM eject pin and information paper about warranty and also have the sticker. You can see this one exactly for guarantee paper and this is information paper. Lenovo Legion Y90 and this one original titanium gray color cover. You can see so beautiful and also the writing the Legion name. So next for the phone. Wow, this is so amazing phone and first time it's come about in Lenovo Legion. SIM charging base 89 watt Lenovo Legion. You can see that this is type C and here's available type C cable. We will opening the phone. You can see so amazing. That's the dual camera and flash. This is the fan and speaker, SIM jacket and charging base. Remember this one you can use dual charge in one time. Type C. This is the volume button, down and up, and this is the power button. And here's front camera. This one is different with Lenovo Legion Dual 2. The camera is the Legion 2 is coming here. That is not so amazing. This one is so amazing. The camera is here up, so small, and here is the speaker, mic speaker and camera speaker. You can see the new version ZUI 13. Select in language English and that's it. We'll go for activation in the phone. Exactly is needed Wi-Fi. You can connect your Wi-Fi. Let's go for activating the device. As needed to your ID, if you can to add your ID and also you need your backup, you can add, and let's go will need only normally active. And this one the system activation menu, which menu you like, you touch and it will touch. Okay, we'll go. Okay. Wow, now the phone will start it. Go for setting and we'll check both. Lenovo Legion Y90. The battery 5600 mAh, 86 hour one time working normally, 3.0 million front focus and 256 GB storage, UFC 3.1, 12 plus 4 GB RAM memory, and then the Snapdragon 8 generation 1 internet 5G delivery, the latest model, dual mode and 144 GHz AMOLED display. You can see, and let's go for the camera. We'll check the camera. Wow, the camera is so amazing. You can see they have dual 3 modes, zoom in and zoom out. The zoom in is how 8x zooming, 8x zooming, and this is the front camera. Front camera is also available HDR. They have portrait mode, HD photos, and night photos. You can say, and camera normal videos, HDR, 10 plus, and more have options in the camera. Cameras have a lot of most beautiful options. This phone is available on Rosebay Mobile. First scan, first take, and subscribe our channel. For order, contact me in my WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number and address available in description. Thank you for watching the video.